All right, let's look at the homework 1.4, problem number 10. All right, so this problem is about the population of squirrel. And it says, let's see, 27 years ago it was introduced, and then the population doubles every 9 years. And now population is 760. All right, what was the initial population? All right, so let's try to figure it out. All right, so what's given? So initial population, let's call initial population P0, right? P0. Then the population at the time T, let's call it the P of T. All right, so this is going to be an exponential model, so it's going to be a P0 times, all right, so here, every 9 years, it's going to double. So which means that so it's going to multiply by 2 to the, right, every 9 years. So I'm going to do a t divided by 9, right? So this would be the function, right? Then we know that 27 years later, which is now, population is 760. So P of 27 is going to be equal to 760, but using this formula, so it's going to be a P0 times 2 to the 27 over 9, right? And so this is going to be P0 times 2 to the 27 over 9 is 3, right? So 2 cubed is 8, so it's going to be a 8P0. And we know that this has to be equal to 760. All right, so we can simply divide through by 8. So P0 is going to be equal to, right, 760. Let's see, so 760 divided by 8 is going to be 8 times 9 is 72, and then 40, so it's going to be 95, right? Is that right? So 760 divided by 8 is 95. So let's type it in. All right, so 95 squirrels. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part A correctly. And we already know what part B. So function is 95 is P0. And then times 2 to the, so let's see, maybe I can do times 2 to the T over 9. All right, so let's check the answer. Maybe I'll get rid of this parentheses there. I don't think we need it. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly. All right, so we want to estimate the expected squirrel population 10 years from now. So now is t equals 27. So 10 years from now is going to be t is going to be 37. So we just need to compute 95 times 2 to the 37 over 9. All right, so we're going to have to do this on a calculator. All right, so I'm going to just bring up the, say, GeoGebra. So GeoGebra Classic. All right, so if you open this up, all right, so we have that. So we just need to compute 95 times 2 to the 37 divided by 9. All right, so you have that. So it's going to be 1642. All right, so that will be the answer. So let's type it in. All right, so this is 1642. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got part C correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.